YouTube channel. Science Nature, Human Body Set. Explore the human body. 29 body parts with a stand. Accessible. Assemble a skeleton and the organs of the body. Discover the inner workings of your body. Interactive toys are great for learning.
Oh, okay. That's what inside the human body.
Let's open.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, you like it?
That's all.
That's all. Okay, show them what is it inside.
The human body.
What? Show it, show it. This is the human body booklet.
3D model in this scientific kit shows the inside and outside of human autonomy. It is divided into 3 specific sections: skin and muscles, skeleton, and internal organs.
Okay. Can I see? Let's let them show. Let's show them. Oh, this one. Why is this transparent? This one is the body. This one the skeleton. Oh, these are the parts. Okay.
Where's it?
Okay.
See? This is the heart.
That's the heart. We can show them the heart.
I forgot to open this.
And then we show the organs one by one.
Where's it? What? I need help.
Okay, where's the body?
See,
Oh, that's a skeleton. Wait, the skeleton later.
okay.
Mm.
Let's put it here.
This one for the skeleton. This one also for the
This
skeleton.
is the skeleton.
Oh, show them the heart first.
Heart.
Heartbeat. Heart.
Heart. A large muscular organ the size of a fist.
Huh? This is the size of a fist. Of course, this is not the size of a fist because this is not the actual. This is just a 3D model. Okay?
That pumps and circulates blood around the entire body. I will
Oh.
show all.
Oh, this one. Show. Okay, like this. Show like this. Next is
Lungs, respiratory organs with a spongy appearance. Contained inside the rib cage, they are made up of lots of cavities, alveoli, where gases are exchanged, allowing us oxygen to pass into the blood.
okay. You show them. Oh, there are 2 lobes of the lungs. Can I see? Hey, this is not yet assembled. Can you assemble?
Liver,
Oh, show them the liver. I will show them.
a large gland connected to the digestive system that filters toxic substances. It contains an energy-rich substance called glycogen.
Glycogen.
And produces bile, which helps digest fats.
Okay, done. Next. Oh, show them. Okay.
Stomach,
Oh, show the
Shaped like-
stomach.
shaped like a sack. This is the first part of the digestive tract where the digestion of food begins.
Kidneys where?
Shaped
Oh, this is the kidney. Wait. This is how the kidney.
shaped like two large kidney beans. They filter the blood and ultimately substances, urine, which is passed through two tubes called ureters.
Mm.
It is collected in the bladder.
Oh.
Note, in the human body, the kidneys are not joined together.
Oh, yeah, because here is joined, but actually this is not joined in reality.
As they are in this picture.
Hmm.
Small intestine.
What about this?
Small intestine, a part of the digestive tract, which has lots of vents where the digestion process occurs and neutral substances from food are absorbed. Large intestine, the final part of the digestive tract, where feces,
Huh? Feces.
feces are formed.
Mm.
Instructions. Prepare the first part of the body, made up of internal organs. Attach the heart, lungs, liver, and stomach securely.
Mm. The heart is attached to the lungs already. Next is what?
The liver.
Oh, show them. Okay.
And the lungs.
Lungs.
Oh no. The stomach.
Okay.
Now start to press together the skeleton. Insert the shoulder blades into the back of the rib cage and attach two parts of the vertebral column to the two parts
Of
of the pelvis.
The assembled heart, lungs, liver, and stomach. Okay, so these are all the skeletal pieces, the skeleton, and Jacob is attaching the rib cage to the shoulder blades. Attach one shoulder blade to the rib cage. Okay, the other rib cage you attach. Yeah, the two parts of the vertebral column to the two parts of the pelvis. This one is the vertebral column. This is the pelvis. So Jacob is going to attach the pelvis to the vertebral column. Go.
This is the vertebral column and the pelvis.
Okay.
As you insert the internal organs inside the two halves of the rib cage, secure them at the front. At the same time, attach them firmly to the vertebral column at the back.
Okay. You show.
So Mama connected this.
What is that?
It's the bones and the
Internal organs.
internal organs.
Next.
Connect this.
Oh, that's the intestine.
It will take for a while.
Okay. I attach. What? I attach what?
the internal organs. The large intestine, the kidneys, and the small intestine.
Okay.
And put it over here.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Into the hole in the pelvis.
This. Okay.
Where's the other one?
That one.
Careful also here.
Show. Oh, it's almost done. There. Show.
I can do this.
Jacob has already attached the
Skeleton.
Can it speak?
Hello.
Are you sing? Okay, sing. No, I don't wanna be inside a human body. I'm a skeleton. I want to be in the coffin.
No, this is a human body coffin.
Oh, this is a human body coffin. Jacob has already put me inside here. And then he's going to enclose me inside the human body.
The foot.